Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monet. I'm a licensed massage therapist. Here on my channel I like to post vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, business vlogs, and how-to videos such as like this one. Today I am going to give you guys just some few tricks on how I clean my dry brushes in the spa. So just real quick, we're just going to walk over to the sink, clean this dry brush, and I'm going to show you exactly how I sanitize and get mine prepped for the next session or the next day. So let's just go in and get started with the dry brush. Alright, so first thing I do is I go ahead and spray my dry brush with a disinfectant. Spray the bristles, and then I also spray the back. And I just let that sit for about a minute, and then I come back and do the next step. After the brush has set for a minute, I then rinse the brush, get it all nice and moisturized. And then I add on some detergent. I take a hard bristle brush like this. It's called a scrub brush. I got it from Walmart for like 97 cents. Add some water to both. And then I take this brush and I scrub the bristles. You don't have to be extremely aggressive, but just scrub it enough where it starts to fudge. And I go off to the sides of my brushes, off to the side. Get a good, nice lather going. See, it's all lathered up. And then to the side. Making sure that I get all of that, and then I turn it over for my handle and just kind of brush this way, that if your dry brush has a handle, and then I scrub the wood part. Once that is done, I go ahead and clean off this brush, let it dry, take the dry brush and just kind of let the water run through and get that soap off. You guys, I am using Ajax dish detergent, but it has it's an antibacterial soap as well. So remember, I spray the disinfectant and then I use an antibacterial soap. And that is it for this step, and then I do one final step. And I'm going to show you guys what that is really quick. Alright, after cleansing my dry brush, I do go ahead and dip it in some hot water. I do have some stir hot water in a pot boiling. So I just take the dry brush and I dip it a few times in this hot water. So like I said, I do have the pot on and it is coming to a boil and it's steaming. So I had a lid on it like so. Then I took the lid off, but anyway, I take my brush and I grab it by the handle and I just dip it in so that it can steam it like this. Let it steam for a few minutes. As you can see, it's starting to move around because it's starting to boil. You can see little bubbles and stuff coming up. So as it really gets to a boil, like soon as it pops to a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. And after I do that, I just let it air dry, and that is it. It is now sterile. You can wait until it completely dries before you use it on your next client or yourself. So that is how I clean my dry brushes in the spa. When you are dry brushing, it is very beneficial for post-op clients because it gets that lymph moving, but it's also very good for people who just want to come in and get a natural lymphatic detox massage. It helps with cellulite, it helps with pain, it helps improve your skin texture, and it's just so relaxing because you feel so tingly all over. But if you continue to get dry brushing, you will notice a big difference in your body and how you feel and how your skin texture looks. It just gives you that nice glowing texture and helps with that lymphatic system naturally. So you should consider buying a dry brush and maybe dry brushing yourself, or come into a spa such as my spa and let me and my staff dry brush you for a lymphatic treatment, or just find you a massage therapist that does dry brushing. You are not going to regret it. You should try it out. But I hope you enjoyed this video on how I clean my dry brushes in my spa.